Looking good, start slowing down. Okay, start looking down the runway, nothing to see in front of you. Going into the abyss here. Just wait for it. Oh, that's 2 in a row, man. Wow, right on the center line too? I think you're just showing off now.
I'm trying to show you how all students should do it.
That was pretty darn good. That'd be hard to beat.
That's why I'm bummed we're not going to NIFA. Tim.
Wah, wah, wah. They haven't even sent me an email, so they must not be too interested in having us there.
I guess not. Even though we got 2 medals. College traffic, 1-4 Sierra is clear of runway 23, College. Okay. Close landing. Check. Landing lights.